Some marriages are made in heaven, others are made up for a green card. In a nationwide crackdown, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services teamed up with ICE Homeland Security Investigations, the State Department, and the U.S. Attorney's Office of Maryland to crush a massive marriage fraud ring operating across the country. After months of undercover work, 10 individuals were arrested on April 24 and 4 more were federally indicted for their roles in orchestrating sham marriages. The operation, which began in April 2022, revealed how U.S. citizens were paid to marry foreign nationals solely to help them gain immigration benefits. Investigators say this elaborate fraud was masterminded by 3 women from New York: Zuran, Tatiana Sigal, and Alexandra Tkach, who were paid thousands to fake relationships and fill out fraudulent documents. Shanta Hopper from New Jersey is also facing serious charges. She allegedly recruited vulnerable women from Baltimore and other cities, promising cash in exchange for marrying foreign nationals. USCIS spokesperson Matthew Traxler had a strong message. Our work with ICE crushed a marriage fraud ring where US citizens were paid to marry aliens. Buying a spouse doesn't make you a citizen. As a result of investigations, all immigration benefits tied to these fraudulent marriages have been revoked. Justice is being served and fraud rings are being exposed. Authorities are urging the public to report suspicious immigration activities to ICE or USCIS.